They are kicking our ass. You don't know how to read the map here. You're in the Conquest.
Objective Delta is under control.
This is why I play this. This is why I don't play Call of Duty as much and Battlefield's out. More realism, more action. Realistic gameplay and team play. Play the fucking objective. Play the fucking objective.
Objective control has been regained.
Good.
Our lead is secured.
Let him down with a shotgun.
Crosshouse has secured objective Charlie.
Break him down. You don't want that smoke. Or maybe you do. Alright guys, enough to show you a little bit of action. 6 minutes of funkin' flavor. I'm out of here as always. It's Alizé Swigger. I'm chilling at the mansion, man, playing some gaming. I'm gonna get my smoke on, toke on, I'm gonna holler back at you guys. As always, Xbox One gamers, PC gamers, console gamers, prestige gaming, over and out to the hills, Jack. We love it here. Ain't that right, Hubert?